Dear Tiandy customer, today we will introduce Tiandy newly launched product, the panoramic IP camera TCNC1261. This video will be divided into two parts. The first part is design, the second part is featured function introduction. Okay, let's open the box. A positioning card, a screw package, include 4 screws and 4 expansion tube, a waterproof cap, 1 unit Tiandy fisheye camera. We can see the color of it. The color is mainly black and white with green Tiandy logo. Very beautiful, right? And now is introduction of the interface. BNC interface. Power supply. 485 control line. RG45 network port. Audio input and output. Alarm input and output. Okay. Why Tiandy fisheye camera is different from other brands? Let me introduce for you. Tiandy fisheye camera has special function. It's EW, shooting for early warning. So we can see in the black area of our camera, we have 3 white lights and 3 infrared lights. The IR LED can reach 15 meters, and the white light can reach 10 meters. And the screw is under a black shell, and the black part is together with the body of the IP camera. So this can help you won't lose a part of it and make it beautiful. Now is introduction of SD card and the reset button. The SD card is locked and the reset button is blocked by a plastic sheet inside. We can remove it and see it. The SD card can accept up to 128 GB. And beside is a 1-key reset button. Okay, let's remove the camera and let us see the bracket. Tiandy fisheye camera can have 3 mounted functions. Let's see the bracket. A24. Let's open it. Okay. Screw package and A21. Positioning card, bracket, and screw package. Okay. Tiandy fisheye camera has 3 mounting manners. The first one is ceiling mounting for ceiling installation. First, we can use the positioning card and make the position of the screws. Second is wall mounting. And here is the position of the screws on the body of fisheye camera. The second manner is wall mounting. This will use the bracket A21 and A24 and make the position of the screws. Install the bracket. Okay. The third manner is tape mounting. Also, locate the screws and install the fisheye camera on the table. Here is the UI of the fisheye camera, and there is two decode mode. The first one is software decode. The other is hardware decode. Okay, let's back to software decode. And we can choose the installation here. Pendant, wall mount, desktop. And we can also choose display mode, fisheye, 180 degree, 360 degree, 360 degree plus PTZ. And we can control the view of the PTZ. We can adjust the area and zoom speed. Okay, 360 plus 3 PTZ. 360 plus 6 PTZ. 360 plus 8 PTZ. 2 PTZ. 4 PTZ. Fisheye plus 3 PTZ. Fisheye plus 8 PTZ. And here are also some special functions. The first one, QR code. Fisheye tracking. Clear alarm. White light guard. Voice warning. Record. Snapshot. Talk back. Full screen. And volume control. And here is the playback button. Log of the fisheye camera. And configuration. Tiandy fisheye camera is different from those panoramic camera in the market because Tiandy camera include 5 VCA function. Let us show you. We can see it here. Heat map, tripwire, double tripwire, power meter, and Tiandy patent early warning function. And thank you for watching today. For more details of the function, we can see it in next video.